Hello, everyone, and welcome. It's been a while, and almost 2 weekends have passed. I have kept up with the work, but I did not film any process, and I am ready to show you an update. I'm sorry I didn't have the time, resources, or the mood or the stamina to actually film everything that I've been doing because it has been a doozy. So let me just show you. Okay, you will notice that is the technical room along with the ladder to the tower, and surprisingly, there's no more brick wall here. I finished the fake wall. This is completely hollow. You can literally hear it, and there isn't any isolation in it either. The reason that is filled with electrical wiring, and I have special hatches that need to be mounted in order to access all of the links and special boxes such as that one over there that need their own little window to check, along with, let me just flip you around so you can see it, along with this little tiny corner specifically designed from the up there going all the way down. Remember that whole mess of cables down there? Yeah, those are getting some visitation doors as well, but other than that, they are completely masked. So that is what I did the past weekend. You can clearly see it over there. It is now ready, and this weekend I have been working on the electrical wiring. Instead of whatever horrible Cthulian monster was over here, it's a lot better. This is for the grounding. These are not done, but hopefully they will be done this week, because we're getting solar panels mounted and the grounding done as well, because you can't have solar panels without grounding, and the firm is doing everything. There are still some temporary wires here because I didn't have all the bits and pieces that I needed to make them the final stay, as well as trimmed everything, made a legend for what each of the safety switches do, and that's going to be the permanent one. As well as you might see some bars. This is half of the work for the frame that's going to come down, but I can't really mount the drywall yet, even after I complete the frame, because I still need to do a lot of electrical wiring behind there, and it just makes my life easier just to not have it there. So that's going to be coming a lot later, the two drywall sheets that need to go over here. What I will be doing is I will be mounting the ceiling. I will be making more supports and to make a fake ceiling over here. That's going to house some more wiring coming over here and the light fixture over there. So yeah, there's that. But yeah, that's what I have been doing. Lovely little electrical work. It still needs a little touching up here and there, but I will be getting some advice, hopefully, from the experts. Right, let's flip it and you can see me. Oh, you're seeing the laundry as well. That's down there is the washing machine. Don't bother with that. All right, cool. Again, I did that. I did that thing. It's pretty cool. I did it. It looks nice. It's no longer, like I said, a Cthulian monster up on the wall. Another bit of work, and hopefully next week I will have solar panels and I will be making a review or something. I'll be talking about some solar panels next weekend, along with the barbecue. I'll probably post a little bit about another barbecue. No commentary, just a bunch of guys enjoying the fire. So yeah, I guess that's it. If you enjoyed my updates, and I gotta stop framing the laundry. If you enjoy my updates and want to see more, you know the works. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share it with a friend. It really helps out. Come on, let's push past 200. I'm dying to see us push past 200, and then I will definitely push for 300. Come on, we can do 300. It's a pretty good movie. All right, see you in the next one. Bye.